All right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Bitcoin Update. And we kind of have a green today. So the market is actually looking quite interesting today. And of course, the past 2 days we had some few red candles, but today was actually amazing move to the upside. So again, I think that Bitcoin has more positive than negatives. You see, I've been saying this for quite a while now, and it's been almost 2 weeks that I've been saying again and again that we are probably in the phase of a disbelief. Okay, a lot of people don't really believe that Bitcoin wants to shoot up like this. And I kind of have this feeling that it's the market psychology of disbelief area. Okay, this is where people are trained that Bitcoin is meant to fall down, Bitcoin is always meant to go down. And I don't believe that at all. Okay, I just believe in cycles. Okay, mark up, mark down, and a mark up again in the future. And I think it's just the beginning of this markup to go all the way to the upside. Zoom out and try to, guys, you always look at the 15 minutes time frame. Try to learn the weekly as well. Okay, being a technical analysis doesn't really mean that you only have to look at smaller time frames. Look at the bigger picture as well. All right, zoom out. It tells you a lot. You're still very, very cheap for Bitcoin. So what if you're going to go down? So what? Okay, this is Bitcoin. I'm talking about Bitcoin, not altcoins. I'm talking about Bitcoin only. So for me, this is a place where we might be moving to the upside. But one thing you might have noticed as well is that if you look back into the daily time frame, you do have Bitcoin that has respected the 10 EMA. So if you look at the 10 has been so supportive for Bitcoin. The last time you came touch the 10, you move up. You came down, you touch the 10, you move up. Now in the next 13 hours, 51 minutes, if you do end up closing like this for Bitcoin, if you end up closing above $31,000, you're going to be putting in such a very big confirmation, because why not? Okay, this is the breakout. This is the retest. This is pretty much a confirmation. And from here, you have a technical target for Bitcoin to move up to $36,000. This is your next technical target, 36,603. And that's where I might be looking at Bitcoin to push all the way to the upside. So here's where the stop losses is going to make sense to me personally. I think coming down to 30,000 can be a little bit of a negative impact. Or let's actually say that $29,500. Okay, if $29,500 is a place where Bitcoin comes and touches it, I think you might end up just going down. Actually, the best stop loss is just 29K. Okay, it shouldn't go below 29K. But I'm also thinking that 30K can actually be a dead end. So you don't want to see Bitcoin coming at 30,000 at the moment. At least not on a higher time frame, but this is on the 4-hour time frame, right? So you had Bitcoin that has been moving sideways. Came down. Just gonna hide the EMA so we can talk about this one. And you do have Bitcoin with one touch, move up, one touch here, move up, one touch there, move up, one touch here, move up, a touch again, and you can see there was no failure, but you actually ended up going up. So to me, it seems like 30,000 is the new place where you might actually end up. I don't know, could be a big wick, go down and then go up. It's something that can actually happen. But it's not really important. I just think this shouldn't come down here. Okay, it shouldn't come down here. You already have a little bit of a demand zone right there. So one touch here, move up, one touch there, move up. So that's it for this update on Bitcoin. Let's hope you do maintain above these price levels and areas, because what you're just doing is nothing than move up, a bull pennant, a break to the upside, a very good retest here, confirmation, and that's it. Okay, the next technical target brings you up here, unless you don't destroy the pennant itself. And that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.